Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do a video for you on embroidery. We're gonna do a big job. I think it's a big job. I got 30 hats that a client wanted me to do. He is a car dealership owner, and he heard about me from like the community feed, and so this is what we're gonna do. I just got one of my machines repaired and cleaned, so I'm going to show you like how I was threading it and kind of getting it, putting it together and organizing it. I took it in to a neighbor who works on machines, and thank God he's local. And one of the reasons I took it in, one, it was dirty, and two, it's been dirty for quite a while. And the screen kind of fell down, and he had to calibrate the screen, and then he cleaned it for me and repaired some of the springs in it. I think it was a blessing because it only cost like $450. So if you were going to get any of these machines, they are really great machines. And I think this is maybe the second time I've had it repaired, and maybe the fourth time I've had it cleaned, and I've had it since 2002. So if you're going to get a 6-needle embroidery machine, I highly recommend them. They're really great machines, and I love them. This is an easy fix because all they had to do is go underneath here and remove all those stitches that are underneath the stitching on the top. It's just kind of like the cleanup of the hat. The issue is, you see, tension was not very well. It's really kind of messy work. Like they could have just put a Sharpie and clean that up, but of course they didn't because they're lazy. That's not centered. So I'm just sharing with you some issues when you're doing embroidery that, and I'm sure, I'm sure, they charged him like $20, $30 for these hats, and I don't think it's $20, $30 worth of embroidery work. I'm gonna have 2 embroidery machines running. I already put the logo here. I ended up doing a test logo so I could see if this logo worked on a sample hat. So I'm rotating it. You need a sticky stabilizer to do a job like this. And this is what I'm gonna put on my client's hat. This is called a fast frame, and it has a whole bunch of attachments to it, and it's used for the sticky stabilizer. You could see that I use this a whole lot. I put this on, and I have the hat because it rounds, and I also drew a line across so that I know that where center is, because I've kind of lost the center. So I draw a line. And the fast frame comes with a whole bunch of different hoops to fast frame on, different sizes. You do backpacks, bags, towels with these fast frames. Different types of fast frames. I bought this. It's called, I don't know what that is. The 3 fast frame, easy frame. It comes with the same thing. I think the only difference is that these are a bit thicker. For example, this is a thicker frame compared to, let me see, this thin frame. Now I need to draw a line from here to here so I know where center is. There's my drawn line. And then you can see that there's some, like where I put it down, I just tear off just a little bit of stabilizer where I've already embroidered here, like right here. See that? I get the hat, here's the hat, and I have it on the design, and I find the line, that center line, and I line up that center line to the hat line. Hopefully you can see it, that center line to the line of the hat. So here's the clamp here and a clamp here. And if you could see, I have this on the center line. Peggy C's stitch erasers are currently really expensive. So I decided to go to Sally's hair salon, and I saw this. It's exactly like this. Everything is exactly alike. And a while back I bought this and I did some test removing stitches from old videos from way back when. If I could find them, I'll post them here. But I ended up having a problem with one of the hats that I had. It shifted on me. And so one, it pleated in one area, so I removed it. In another area, it shifted on me and I had to remove the stitches, and I used this tool. They both, you can see that it messed up right here. So I'm gonna unstitch it. Hey beautiful people. I ended up screwing up this hat. Second time. Sometimes it just happens. So I'm using the peanut. I have a Peggy Sue eraser and that's what they use this for. But I got this at Sally's, like half the cost, and it works just as well. Just go back and forth where the embroidery's at. I hate doing this, it's annoying, but I'd rather do this than buy another hat. I need to sew this because when I was unstitching it, unstitched, so that's going to be an easy fix.